Hey guys, Larry the Tractor Guy here real quick. Got a call, we're out on a 1890 seeding tool this morning. Customer called and had a wiring problem and lost his blockage on his tool. And he went ahead and turned the blockage off and kept planting wheat because we're expecting a rain. And so he was trying to get done. And anyway, after he came back and inspected, I'm gonna show you this real quick because I've seen this happen a lot of times. There's all of the wiring at the back of this 1890 tool. This is a tow behind air cart. Okay, so the cart's behind the tool. And what's happened here is his wiring harness has came untied with the zip ties and fell down and got hung up underneath an opener. Okay, and it spooled this wiring harness up and pulled everything back from the controller on the tool. Now it didn't hurt the communication wiring because the air seeding cart is still online and everything's working right. But just a quick reminder, if you're running one of these tools, take a look at your wiring pretty regular and make sure that everything is zip tied up and secured good, because this is a big problem. And I've seen this happen before and cause a lot of problem out in the field. So just a quick tip to check your wiring on your tool. There's a lot of things going on right here at the back, especially at the back of these tow behind carts. Man, there is a lot of wiring going on right here and a lot of things to look at. And so we're going to go ahead and put a new wiring harness on this tool this morning, and it'll be a pretty good little chore to do that, and it's not cheap to put new wiring harnesses on air seeding tools. So just a quick tip for you this morning. Hope you enjoy the video. Larry the Tractor Guy signing out. Hey guys, check out Larry the Tractor Guy videos here, other videos here, subscribe here, and buy all your John Deere parts here.
We'll make it work. I think
we're gonna have to make it.
We'll make it work. Come on, let's go.
We need to make
you need some food.
Y'all already burned me out. He's sitting in the sun over here, man.